Hey Wheesearchers, my name is Taylor Pettitt from the channel by the same name, Taylor Pettitt, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to basically just get your makeup to stay on all day long and to look pristine and perfect. Now, right now I'm in Orlando, Florida for Playlist Live, which is this weekend, but during the weekday I will be at Disney World. So today I'm going to Animal Kingdom, and basically I want my makeup to last all day long, because who doesn't? So what I will be going over in this video are just a few simple steps and some products that help you achieve that. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like, and without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off, the first step to any makeup look that will last you all throughout the day is the base. It's the primer, and at least for me, I have already applied my moisturizer, which that's just for my dry skin. That doesn't really help with any long-lastingness. It just makes it so my skin isn't dry. But with the primer that I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It's the original one, and I am almost out of it. I think I meant to get a new one yesterday. Oops. And I also have been using lately this little color corrector. I don't know what brand it's from because it's rubbed off on the back, but it's a little octopus and half his face is kind of rubbed off. I think it's like a K-Beauty one. I got it from the Sephora in Paris last year, so I really don't know what brand it is, but it's just a redness color corrector, so it comes out in kind of a green tint. What I normally do is I take a little bit of the Photo Finish primer and then just, rub that in. And I like this one particularly because it helps smooth out the face, and because of my dry skin, I have a very textured face. It's very uneven, and it definitely shows underneath the makeup. So I like to just help that along a little bit. I prefer Smashboxes because there's been so many primers that I've used, and this one just stuck out to me and just made my face look a whole lot better than any of the other primers have. So this is kind of my go-to. There are some other primers that I use occasionally, but this one I adore. This is if I'm spending a long day at a concert or a convention or doing whatever, I always go to this one. And now that we have my base primer on, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the color corrector to just help myself along. As you can see, I have a lot of redness in my face, so this just helps with that. So I basically just focus on the problem areas, and with this, I've actually found that this little guy in particular helps a lot with my makeup lasting and looking smoother. When I recently started incorporating it to my daily routine, I just noticed that my makeup looked a lot more smoother when I was applying it and afterwards, and it just kind of lasted longer in those areas where they tend to rub off, whether or not because I rub them off or some other thing. So I've been giving this guy more of a try than I did, and I love it. And with any type of primers, you don't want to really cake them on, because the more layers of makeup and stuff that you add to your face, for one thing, of course, the more clogged your pores can get, the more your skin just gets the more is likely to rub off. It's just always a good note to keep in mind. I don't like to just really cake it on, even though it would probably make my skin look smoother, if it means that it's not gonna last a long time, because then what's the point? Now, the next step is choosing a foundation and concealer that works right for you. I use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I've been using this for a couple of years now and I absolutely love it. I think it works best for me, which it may not work best for you, so that's something that you can use Wheesearch to help you with. And for my concealer, as always, I use this I said Tarte? Oh my god. Tarte Shape Tape. Oh boy. I use the Tarte Shape Tape as well, which this is by far my favorite concealer. I'm sure you guys have probably heard of it. It's just great and I swear by it. So with these two combined, that just kind of makes up all of my makeup. These are more durable, they last all day long, and I love them for it. So I'm just gonna go off camera and apply them because it's just applying foundation and concealer. It's nothing special. So right now I'm at the point in my skincare routine where it's time for the finishing powder. I normally do this kind of halfway through my routine because I use it to bake. I don't use it all over the face because my skin is very dry and that just would completely suck any moisture left in my skin right on out. I just apply it underneath the eyes and underneath the cheekbones and a little bit like kind of right on the forehead area and along the nose. Just places where I'm kind of like, I want the makeup to set now. And it's never usually my driest spots on my face. Like I get very dry around the cheeks and the chin. So other than that, that's what I use finishing powder for, and it stays for a long, long time. It just kind of smooths out the makeup on your skin, at least this brand, which is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. This is just something that I've been using for the past couple years and I like it. And basically what I do with it when I bake, I have that there. I take a little bit in that and I tap it out. I don't want too much, like I said, because dry skin. And I just will go under. And I don't even know if you can see it because of the light from the window. It's completely washing out my face, which, I mean, to be fair, didn't have that much to go. But I will just put that there and take any excess up on my nose and even some right down here. And I basically do that on the other side and under the cheeks as well. And yeah, that's all I use for finishing powder. If you have more oily skin, of course, I'd recommend to apply that on the oiliest bits of your face. And yeah, that will help with oil control and help your makeup stay much longer. And now I'm at the final step in my makeup routine, which is the setting spray. And when I go out and I'm out at a concert or a convention or a park or something for all day, I like to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I normally use the Caudalie Grape Water Spray because that's very hydrating, but this sucker helps it stay on. So I'm gonna be using this today and basically shake it up and then I just kind of try to dry it out with my hands, which is very fun. And what the setting spray does is just, it helps it settle your makeup all in together. It helps it blend in perfectly, and it's just the perfect ending to your makeup routine. And with that being said, that is it for the video. I will now be heading to Animal Kingdom, and I know that my face of makeup will stay on all day long thanks to these little steps, but they go a long way. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, and of course subscribe to Wheesearch down below and hit the notification bell so you're notified, okay, whenever we upload a new video. And of course check out Wheesearch.com. It's where you can find all the beauty related products you could ever hope and desire. that are perfect for you. And of course, I've been Taylor Pettitt, so there will be links in the description below of all my channels and stuff. Social medias, not channels. So if you'd like to check me out, you will through that. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. Bye.